Guys, this is Ethiop computing. I am Gana. In this video, I will discuss about finding or checking whether the number is prime or not using Python. So follow me in patience. Let me start. Then first, I make the program to accept numbers from the keyboard. And input enter keyboard. Now see or count equals to 0. Count equals to 0 or yeah, I can say like this. For I in range, because prime number is a number or whose factor is only the number by itself and 1, or in other words, prime number is not divisible by or cannot divisible by the other numbers except 1 and the number by itself. So if that is the definition, in the range from 2 up to n, from 2 up to n, from 2 up to n, if n divided by, if n divided by I, its remainder is equals to 0, then count plus the count will be increased by 1. Count plus, then after finishing the for loop, we will check if the count is increased or not. If the count is increased or not. If it is increased, the number is not prime because the number is divided by I and its remainder is 0. So it's not prime. If count greater than 0. If count greater than 0, print. This is not prime number. Is not prime number. Else, if count is as it is 0, count is not increment. Else, print number is prime number. Let me check. What about, for example, 7? 7 it is okay. Yeah, 7 is prime number because 7 divided by 2, its remainder is not 0. 7 divided by 3, its remainder is not 0. 7 divided by 4, its remainder not 0. 7 divided by 5, its remainder not 0. 7 divided by 6, its remainder is not 0. And its remainder is 0 only if 7 divided by 1 and 7 divided by 7. For that, we limit or we start the value from 2 and the value up to n. It does not incorporate 7. It goes from 2 up to 6. That's why 7 is prime number. Then what about What about, for example, what about 12, for example, or what about 15? 15, when we see from the top or as it is, 15 looks like it is a prime number, but it's not a prime number because it divided by 3 and 5 in addition to 1 and 15. Enter. So 15 is not prime number because we increase the value of count 2 times when I is 3 and I is 5. For example, if we print because count increased to count increased to what? And it is because count increased to this. Okay, let me run. 15. Enter. Yeah, count increase to 2. The count will increment 2 times. So far, this is good, I think. See you in the next video. Until that, have a nice time.